What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. We got to talk about Baby Doge. We're just going to be doing a technical analysis today on Baby Doge. We have some changes in the charts, so we're just going to talk about that today. So definitely hit that like button and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. So you're definitely going to want to check out that link in the description for the Ledger Nano X or S, whatever one floats your boat. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's get straight to it though. So the first thing we're going to go over is the Baby Doge technical analysis. As you can see here, Baby Doge is bearish by 60%. So the 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 60%. So that still shows that we're still on like a downward path right now. And this is just for the 15M chart. If you look over here for the 4-hour chart, you see it's a little bit different, bearish for 80% in the last 24 hours. So right now we are inside of bearish territory. And one thing that I do want to mention here with Baby Doge in this bearish territory is that we're having not too hard of a time, trying to stay like below this area of 1250, and that's the support that I'm talking about. But we're really having a hard time staying above it. As you can see here, we stayed above it from the 3rd of August to about the end of that day. So it really was only a day that we stayed above it. And now you can see we're very briefly staying above this 1250 resistance that we have here that we used previously as support. So we're having a really hard time, trying to do that. So I think Baby Doge would need the momentum of the whole overall crypto market in order to do a major pump. But yeah, Baby Doge could definitely pump. It just needs the whole overall crypto market to kind of back it up. As you can see, though, Bitcoin at 23K, up 0.5% for the last 24 hours. Ethereum, is still moving sideways as well. So everything's kind of moving sideways right now. And we did have a nice little run up. I think it was more so a little bit of a bull trap, but I think there may be some movement for us to actually get through here. So if you can look over here at this chart, you can actually see that we had the same pullback every single time we started to rise inside the price here for Bitcoin. And actually it'll probably look better just looking at it on this chart. So let's look at it like this. So whenever you look at Bitcoin, you can see every single area here has had a milestone to get past, and you can see it had the same pullback. So I had a good area to get past, and then it had that minor pullback. And then again, it rose and then had a little bit of a pullback. And the same thing's happening now. So if this is going to keep happening, then hypothetically speaking, we should be getting more buying coming into Bitcoin and the whole overall crypto market, which should then reflect into Baby Doge. And obviously, it's not just going to go straight all the way up here to 32K. That was just me moving it all the way up there. But yeah, this could more than likely get us possibly up here to about maybe 26K or 25K. We can get somewhere around there after we have this run up. So I don't know how much it's going to be, but hey, whenever you look at our resistance here, it does bring us all the way up here to 26K. So we may actually see a 25 to 26K Bitcoin coming pretty soon, because the red area shows supply and demand of less demand. So actually it's probably going to end up showing Baby Doge hitting that area. Let's be completely honest. If we did hit that area, we would probably have a little bit of a rejection there. So I'm not saying that you would see Bitcoin going all the way up to 32K after 27K. Definitely expect that rejection at 27K and a little bit of a pullback. But then from there, we could have some more buying coming into the Bitcoin price. So you got to look at Bitcoin whenever you're looking at Baby Doge. But yeah, all in all, we definitely look like we're a little bit bearish here inside of the whole overall crypto market. But we do have some bullish signals that could easily reverse us to the upside. So that's why I'm saying Baby Doge could be bullish soon. Bitcoin could be bullish soon. It's just a matter of time, and it really just matters with all of the whole global economy. You need to see gas prices going down. You need to see things getting better. You need to see home prices continuing to raise. People are saying that houses might crash. You're seeing inflation going up, going crazy. So you're seeing all these different things inside the global economy that's just really pushing everything down. But I think that could all be changed within a year. Just look, maybe by next year we could have a bull run. So I don't know. Even if it is by next year, you got to think that still is soon. We're inside of August. We only got about 4 months until we have next year. And then next year we could definitely see a bull run. So anything can happen. We just have to be patient here. You got to think, if Baby Doge goes down to 9Z6 or 9Z7, that's going to be a huge buying opportunity. And that's just how I'm looking at it. Now, if you look at the 4-hour chart, though, for Baby Doge, you are seeing that Baby Doge is still kind of going sideways, but it looks more so like a consolidation phase here. You know how we came out of this area here, we were consolidating, but we came out on the downside. It kind of looks like the same thing is happening here inside of Baby Doge. So if you look at this, it looks like it's going on this little sort of like a consolidation period here, maybe like a flag forming up here, but it definitely seems like it's consolidating up here to the end. So it is probably going to end around like 1220, somewhere around there, before we know whether or not we're going to become bullish or bearish. But look, if we do become bullish, we have immediate resistance all the way up here at the 1400 area. So I've been talking about that for a few days, 1430 really. And then you have another resistance area all the way up here at about 1700. So you're definitely going to want to watch out for that as well. But that's pretty much all I got for the Baby Doge technical. Now, as for Bitcoin, there's definitely something you want to watch out for. You definitely want to watch out for the oscillator. So we did just now come off this oversold area. And I mentioned how you always see buying coming after it. It looks like the buying that we had was not large at all. That buying actually looks very small, but it could continue into like a bigger buying pattern, kind of like how we seen here with this small buying in that one. And then we had a sell off, but then we had a more larger buying pattern coming into play. So the same thing could kind of happen, kind of like how here we had a small buying pattern and then we had an even larger one coming. So we had this little bit of buying here and then we had that larger buying area coming in right after that. So that's probably what's going to happen here. We're probably going to start off with like a really small amount of buying. You could also see the same thing happen back here, very small amounts, and then we had a larger buying period. So we may actually see more buying pushing Bitcoin all the way up here to probably like 26K, like I was saying. So there's definitely that possibility that we could be getting that pretty soon. When, I don't know, but it definitely could be happening. But anyways, Baby Doge is doing its sideways movements right now. It definitely looks like maybe tomorrow could be a bullish day, but we'll just have to see and wait for tomorrow. Now, also the AMA is going to be tomorrow as well. So Friday. Friday is when the AMA is going to be August 5th. It is the 4th as I'm making this video, 10:57 p.m. But this is definitely going to be really big when this comes out because it's going to be talking about all the things with BDSwap. And you got to think, once BDSwap starts implementing DeFi protocols, like having staking, farming, pools, stuff like that, that's when you're going to see a lot of people starting to like flow into Baby Doge. You're going to see a lot of millionaires and billionaires because millionaires and billionaires, they're all about passive income. So they'll probably end up flowing into Baby Doge like crazy once we actually get this coming out. And if this AMA is any good tomorrow, then they're really going to convey that message that this is really what they're going after. So I think this could be a really big day for us tomorrow. It just depends on whether or not they deliver with a strong AMA. Because if we get some strong questions with some strong answers, then we can do some really great things here inside Baby Doge. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. So yeah, definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you like these Baby Doge videos. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And also remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto, you're definitely going to want to check out that link in the description for the Ledger Nano X or the S. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.